There is a lot of stocks now. And look at this here. Toilet paper, limit 1 package per family. Ba, wala na dito. Hi guys! And today we going to Smith's. Buying grocery.
Smith's
oh my
packed.
god, it's packed. Okay, we going to McDonald's first.
Oh, well, look at the line around Costa Vida.
Yep, have a lot of people there.
Fizz, right.
I hope later if you people in grocery store so that we can grocery me.
Oh.
Okay, see you in McDonald's. What's look like now? Here is the snow in the mountain.
More snow coming this week.
Yep. Arby's, 7-Eleven, and there is McDonald's. Before so traffic here, but now look at that, only few cars now.
Rush hour hasn't started yet. Still
Yeah.
a lot of people going to work.
Yep.
Usually office type work or like building construction.
We're here now guys in McDonald's.
Yeah, thanks.
Burger. Have a lot of burger. Yeah. Yeah, but in plastic.
Okay. So the plane. They're not that fast, huh?
Yep, it's so quick, huh?
All the time.
Yeah. It's the McDonald's.
Drive
With in
through.
plastic.
Drive through only.
Yep, so quick.
Rush hour is starting.
Okay, pupunta na kami ng Smith grocery store. Sana
Well, hopefully
maliit lang tao doon. There is a lot of people there.
it's a lot more crowded than last week.
Yeah, what the Smith Marketplace, there is.
Look, you got water.
See, still have water.
Why Tuesday?
Because you think you have no people. Look at that people.
They think the same. I'm gonna go look in. You stay here.
There's Daddy. You look at inside. What's look like there? RJ, we here. We eating Daddy. Look like Saturday here. Have a lot of people in Tuesday. 2 PM. Oh, ang lamig. Lamig ng hangin, RJ. What is lamig, RJ?
What?
What is lamig?
Oh no.
It's cold.
Great apartment. Okay, so you got one here. This is like
Maghintay kami ni Daddy. Daddy inside. RJ wala ng pagkain. Wala ng apple at saka milk. Daddy go quickly inside so that we can buy milk. Okay guys,
it's flies.
so pupunta naman kami doon sa Winco store kung crowded doon or hindi, dahil dito parang ang daming tao dito. Look at Daddy, what he got? It's only milk.
But they don't have the apples are bad.
Yeah, we go to Winco.
So we'll take a look at it.
Yep. Okay, there is the milk, RJ.
Two people, one person in self checkout, and then me.
There is. We're going to Winco now.
And then we might come back here. It's not too bad.
Yep.
Still a lot of cars on the road, a lot more than I thought there'd be.
There he is, Papa Marcus. Here we go again in Winco. It's Saturday here. Have a lot of cars.
Let's see if they got apples, and then we'll get out of here.
Yeah.
So all
Linisin muna natin para linis. Here are there. Have a corn here. There it is. Okay.
we just sell it. Get the apple a little bit more.
Here's apples. You have mini yogurt again. There you go.
How long do they last? 3 weeks?
Yep.
Carrots and onions.
Yep. Get okra, guys. Okra. I like okra. Carrots.
I'll get you one of those.
Trying to do the social distancing thing, you know?
Here. I have mini here. Lot of potato, not yet. Oh, carrot have. Yeah, onion, not yet. Sweet potato. Here. Only little bit. Better we get other one. There is squash. I get one squash. There is a lot of stocks now. onion, have 3 onion. I get red onion 50. And look at this here. Pasta. It's limited. Look up here, the tissue. Toilet paper. Toilet paper, limit 1 package per family. Ba, wala na dito. Oh, mayroon dito. Walang na tira. Mayroon na kami isa. Saan na sila, Daddy? Look at here. Oh, it's expensive. Fork. It's the beef burger.
Hey, Jack, you want it?
Yeah.
Cheese. What else did you put in there? Is that carrots?
You have
What
onion.
about onions?
Yeah.
Onions, yeah?
Yep.
I didn't get pads. No rice. The shelves are all empty.
Oh, have no rice.
You got tons of rice at home, don't you?
Yeah, we stuck.
Eat half.
Yeah, we stuck that honey.
Rinse it. I didn't see it. Almond milk. Ziploc bags.
Okay, we go. There is. Your waffle, I do have now. Ah, only little that honey. Almond milk. Get almond milk. Cream. This is Regina and
We should get this one.
this that honey is not.
I don't know what you did.
I forgot now. Look like
Unsweetened?
Do you want a
Original?
yacht?
no,
Says
it's not
unsweetened.
detergent.
Use that unsweetened?
No, look like different. That is green. And
It's not sweet. That's why it's gone.
there is one eggs limit 1 carton per family. Are you? Yeah. Here we go now.
Point. Right there. All right, let's go get the.
Ziploc. Here we go. Here we go
So
now.
much.
Okay. There it is. Baby dinner. Here. Chicken. Here's my favorite. Chicken and corn and smashed potato. There it is. Shrimp. No, I have no
Indian cuisine.
It's fine. I take the wheel.
Okay, go.
Where do we go?
Okay, RJ. Yeah, I'm nothing.
Come on, Roger.
No, RJ, come here. Slowly. RJ is a hard boy, RJ. We stock a grocery for 2 weeks. RJ. Here is Ziploc. Here.
Court says.
There is RJ.
You're the co-driver.
Cool driver.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yay.
Maybe on the other side, Anna. It's dog food is here. RJ. 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 Oh. Oh, empty shelf here. What is here, RJ? Empty shelf. There is a Tide. I buy one, honey, this. Okay, this is the small only because it's so expensive. Okay. Okay, that.
Electrical club, so they have like 2 left at home.
Yeah, I not know where
Where's
it's
that?
now.
It'd be right here, wouldn't it?
Maybe that.
Yeah.
Oh. Here's the all the only few left.
There's all those mops on.
Maybe here.
Sponges.
Look like the same that his son. Up go. Have nothing here.
Wait.